am K. Mirthana from 9th standard. Today I am going to talk about fundamental analysis. There are two ways to buy shares in stock market. First one is fundamental analysis and second one is technical analysis. Now I am going to talk about fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis? It is used to find the intrinsic value of shares. That means it is used to find the correct value of shares based on the profit, cash in hands, data handling, revenue of that company. So fundamental analysis is used to find that company trade the shares on correct market value or not. It is also helpful to choose correct company to buy shares for us. If I will buy shares in a company, I must see two important analyses of that company. First one is qualitative analysis and second one is quantitative analysis. So first one, qualitative analysis, means we have to check the quality of that company. That means how the management team of that company works. For example, if a management team started a business that was lost, so they closed that. Again, the same management team started another business, that was a chances this was also losses. If I will buy shares like that company, the share prices will down in overnight. So we have to check the qualitative analysis of that company. This is the qualitative analysis. And next one is quantitative analysis. That means the company have how many assets, debts, liabilities or profit or loss earned. Profit or loss in 1 year, that means one financial year, April 1st to March 31st, the company earned how many profit or loss. Next assets, the property that belonging to that company. Next liabilities, the company bought debts for their company purposes, that is the liabilities. So these are the quantitative analysis and these are the two important analysis to check in company. And next, there are three types of fundamental analysis. First one is economic analysis, second one is industrial analysis and third one is financial analysis. So first one is economic analysis. If I will buy shares in a company, the growth of companies must depend on the economic growth. For example, if there is a good company in Sri Lanka, but I did not buy shares in that company because the economic growth of Sri Lanka is also low. We have to buy shares in good economic growth countries. So this is the economic analysis. And next one is industrial analysis. We choose the company to buy shares. For example, in a street there are 3 textile shops. How I decide to go one shop to buy dress? First of all, I go to 3 shops and check new collections and new designs and compare the price value of 3 shops and I decide to one shop to buy dress. Same like that, how I decide to buy shares in one company? I have to check the qualitative and the quantitative analysis of that company. That wise only I choose the company to buy shares. So this is the industrial analysis. And next one is financial analysis. That means how the company handles the quantitative analysis. So that means how the company handles the assets, liabilities, profit or loss, debts. So that is the financial analysis. These are the 3 types of fundamental analysis. And last one is if I will buy shares in a company, in fundamental analysis there are 2 methods to buy. First one is top to down and second one is bottom to top. Each method have 3 steps. So first method, top to down, first step is overall economy, second one is sectorial analysis or industrial analysis and third one is financial analysis. So first one, overall economy, means if I will buy shares in a company, I have to find in which country the company is located and what is that country's economic growth, is high or low, I have to find that. So that is the overall economy. Overall economy means we have to find that country's economic growth is high or low. And next one is industrial or sectorial analysis. We choose the sector to buy shares like a pharmacy sector, financial sectors. So this is the sectorial analysis or industrial analysis. And last one is financial analysis. If I choose a pharmacy sector, means there are many companies in the pharmacy sector. I choose only one company to buy shares. That is the financial analysis. So these are the 3 steps in first method and second method, bottom to top. First step is a financial analysis. First of all, I choose that company. And second step is a sectorial analysis or industrial analysis. And I realize what is that company's sector. And last one is overall economy. And last only I have to check in which country the company is located and what is that country's economic growth I have to check. So these are the 2 methods in fundamental analysis and this is the basics of fundamental analysis. Thank you.